Roman script demand for Kokborok took centre stage today in Tripura as the state celebrated the 48th Kokborok Day. Indigenous students staged protests in Agartala this morning, urging the central government to heed to their demands. Northeast Live.
Just see behind over here, the students, particularly TSF and other indigenous students are protesting over here on the demand for Roman script. This is the demand for Roman script, and police has caught on them. And just on the other side, you can see the rally going on for celebration of the Kokborok Day. The students over here, they say that celebrating Kokborok Day, but not resolving the script issue is an insult to the language. And let's hear from them that what are the demands that they are keeping. And we have one of the student leaders over here. So what is this protest about? What are the demands?
We are celebrating a Kokborok Day today. We demand Roman script for 50 years to retain in Roman script for the Kokborok language. And today we celebrate Kokborok Day, but we are very unfortunate that we can see our demand are not being fulfilled yet even today. So we want to pass a very clear message to the government of Tripura and government of India. Stop playing with the future of the students.
Are you against Bengali script, or you want that Roman should also be introduced?
It's very clear. The people have been demanding since long back. We are not against any script, but it's the people's choice what script they wanted. Therefore, we are asking the government to respect the will of the people. But see, we have seen how the standard of the government, how they are treating us. How the government is treating us. It is inhuman. Therefore, we are not against anybody, but we are only asking our own rights.
That is the protest that is going on over here, and you can see just behind me a colorful rally. A large number of students have participated. It's not only the indigenous, the non-indigenous have also participated in this. But how much justified is it that when a demand is going on for more than 5 decades, there is no solution need? The government, the present government or the previous government, they had kept this hanging, this script issue. And recently, with the chief minister also announcing that the present government is not in favor of Roman script, this agitation has got into a new potential. And with the TTADC election close, I think it seems this will be the main issue on which this election will be fought. With camera person Vishwajit De, Pinaki Das for Northeast Live from Agartala.